वन मोर टाइम, ये फाइनल एग्जाम है। प्लेयर्स आने वाले हैं, चैंपियंस आने वाले हैं। विजय मर्चेंट पवेलियन, टाइम फॉर अस टू वार्म अप। गेट रेडी टू मेक सम नॉइज इन 3, 2, ऑलराइट। फिलहाल विजय मर्चेंट पवेलियन ऑन 1, गढ़वाले पवेलियन 1.5. 3 tiers versus 2 tiers. Now this is happening. This is happening, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now it is time for me to head to a stand which is named after the god of cricket, Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar stand. तैयार हो जाओ, तैयार हो जाओ। हम बहुत जल्द अपने चैंपियंस को यहां पे वेलकम करने वाले हैं। Sachin Tendulkar stand. Before you make some noise, I want to take this opportunity to thank the Mumbai Police, and I also want to thank everyone who's turned out over here, the people of Mumbai. यार ये हो क्या रहा है? Whichever pavilion, whichever stand I am coming to, it feels that you guys are just bettering the other one. Sachin Tendulkar stand right now on number 1. On number 1. Now I'm going to come to the side screen. The Honorable Bala Saheb Thackeray press box के ऊपर जो बैठे हुए हैं यहां पर, यहां से लेकर यहां तक 3 to 1 पे सबसे ज्यादा शोर मचाना है। Get ready to make some noise in 3, 2. What was that? What was that? चैंपियंस को देखने के लिए तैयार हो तुम लोग? अरे मुंबई, ये सवाल आप सबसे है। चैंपियंस के लिए तैयार हो? स्क्रीन देखो, द चैंपियंस आर हियर। जब मैं बोलूं हु आर द चैंपियंस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, तुम बोलोगे इंडिया, 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 इंडिया। You can see the champions have entered, ladies and gentlemen. Hardik, 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 Hardik. Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. As you can see, the champions are here. But ये पूरे विश्व को जय करके आए हैं। पूरे विश्व पे ये तिरंगा लहरा कर आए हैं। बारबेडोस में झंडा गाड़ कर आए हैं। जब मैं बोलूंगा when we welcome them on to the ground, I want everybody to switch on their flashlights. राहुल द्रविड़, हमारे कोच, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for राहुल द्रविड़। चलो चलो, इंडिया, इंडिया। check. All right, everybody at Wankhede Stadium, फोन निकालो, लाइट ऑन करो, फोन निकालो, लाइट ऑन करो, हमारे टीम, the world champions, Team India, led out by Rohit Sharma, coming into the ground, ladies and gentlemen. India! 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 India!
ये बहुत समय का इंतजार है जो आज खत्म हो रहा है इन विजुअल्स के साथ। इंडिया हैव एंडेड द 11-year long wait for an ICC trophy. विश्वास की ये कल्मिनेशन ऑफ अ ड्रीम है, लेकिन एक शुरुआत है आने वाले कल की, जहां पे ट्रॉफी का इंतजार इतना लंबा नहीं होगा। ये खुशियां और आएंगी और जल्द आएंगी। विराट knows this. It's taken him a while to get that T20 World Cup trophy, to call it his own. He won the 2011 World Cup. That was the 50-over format. Then he got hold of the 2013 Champions Trophy. Since then, 11 years later, he's seen that tricolour being held aloft once again by fans who can call themselves world champions. Loss for Rishabh Pant. And as Pragyan pointed out a little while ago, Rohit Sharma during the IPL called him over to his place, put his arm around him, I'm sure, just like he has now, and said, you can do this, you can be that X factor, you can be that change maker for this Indian team. Speaking of change makers, there's Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli ने वो change जो है वो संभव करके बताया है। जब वो कप्तान थे तो बहुत सारे बदलाव वो टीम इंडिया में लेके आए, whether it was from a point of view of fitness or whether it's about trusting the bowlers a little more. 6 बल्लेबाज और 5 गेंदबाजों के साथ हम रेड बॉल क्रिकेट खेलेंगे, उन्होंने कहा। प्रज्ञान ओझा भी हमारे साथ यहां पे जुड़े हुए हैं। वानखेड़े की बहुत सारी आइकॉनिक इवनिंग्स का हिस्सा आप भी रहे हैं प्रज्ञान। रोहित शर्मा को आपने भी बहुत करीब से देखा है, इस तरह के सक्सेस को आपने भी बहुत करीब से देखा है, इन लोगों को अलग अलग चीजें अकम्प्लिश करते हुए देखा है, लेकिन अब ये देख के खुशी कितनी है और राहत कितनी है।
देखिए, फ्रेंचाइजी क्रिकेट में जीतना हमेशा जीतना अच्छा होता है, लेकिन फ्रेंचाइजी क्रिकेट बिल्कुल अलग है और देश के लिए ट्रॉफी जीतना वो बहुत ही अलग है। वो जो फीलिंग है, वो जो लोगों का जो प्यार है, वो बिल्कुल अलग है। तो इस चीज को कंपेयर करना किसी के साथ मुझे लगता है ये हमेशा अव्वल रहेगा। लेकिन एक चीज देख के बड़ा अच्छा लगा, आप देखेंगे वहां पे मुंबई के जो लोकल ढोल है वो बज रहे थे, तो विराट कोहली, रोहित शर्मा वहां विराट रोहित को लेके गए फैंस के सामने। उन्होंने कहा कि थोड़ा सा आइए, सराहना करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि उस तरीके का हमारा ये सफर रहा है, उस तरीके की बैकिंग रही है फैंस की। तो मुझे लगता है बहुत स्पेशल है ये ट्रॉफी। सिर्फ एक जीत नहीं है, ये उम्मीद है फ्यूचर की।
Beautifully said, beautifully said. And exactly, this feels like the beginning and not the end, not the culmination, not just the culmination. But the MC also gets a signature from Virat Kohli. ये जर्सी नहीं धुलने वाली, ये जर्सी नहीं धुलने वाली, ये ताउम्र वो अपने साथ रखेंगे। ये यादें जो है यहाँ से लेके जाएंगे ये सारे फैंस। And this was the dance a little while ago. रोहित शर्मा actually led it, प्रज्ञान भाई, वो लेके गए, विराट को भी लेके गए, जैसा आप कह रहे थे फैंस के सामने कि यार ये वही मैदान है जहां पे 2011 में वो सुनहरी शाम तुमने देखी थी, आज मुझे भी इसे महसूस करने का मौका मिल रहा है इसी सरजमी पे।
बिल्कुल सही बात है। देखिए, हम इतने बारे में इतने समय से बात कर रहे थे, विराट रोहित का जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है वो कैसा है, वो आपको सामने देखने में मिल रहा है। रोहित, विराट यंगस्टरों के साथ वो सब चीज भूल चुके हैं कि क्या प्रेशर है, क्या उम्मीदें हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ दिल खोल के उन्होंने अपना जो खुशी वो जाहिर किया। 2 दिग्गज प्लेयर, 2 पिलर भारतीय टीम के, आज उन्होंने ये दिखाया कि वर्ल्ड कप देश के लिए जीतना कितना महत्व रखता है।
मैं देख रहा हूं थोड़े जो बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं हमारी टीम के वो बैठने वाले, और जो यंगस्टर्स हैं उनकी पार्टी अभी तो शुरू हुई है। वो कह रहे हैं हम नहीं जाने देने वाले शाम को इतनी आसानी से, आप बैठिए अपनी कुर्सियों पे, हम खड़े रहने वाले और हम नाचने वाले।
कोई संदेह नहीं है। 2007 में शायद रोहित शर्मा रात भर ऐसे कुछ युवाओं के साथ नाच रहे थे क्योंकि वो तब अलग समय था। अब थोड़ा सा रोल अलग हो जाता है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज अलग हो जाती है। अब शायद रोहित और विराट जल्द से जल्द ये सोच रहे होंगे कि ये जब प्रोग्राम खत्म हो जाएगा तो जल्द से जल्द फैमिली के साथ जाएंगे और उनके साथ समय बिताएंगे और एंजॉय करेंगे ये मोमेंट।
ये स्पीकिंग ऑफ फैमिलीज, बहुत सारे परिवार एकजुट होके आए। एक क्रिकेट का त्योहार हम इसे कहते हैं। ओह देयर यू गो, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल विजुअल दैट इज। मोहम्मद सिराज, यशस्वी जायसवाल, हार्दिक पांड्या, all holding the trophy aloft. and soaking in the celebration. Let's head to the Wankhede Stadium to enjoy this evening, this memorable evening, a little bit more.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. To everyone watching at home and all the people who have packed this Wankhede Stadium since 3 o'clock in the afternoon, here to welcome our champion team. I'm Gaurav Kapoor and I'd like to welcome the dignitaries of the BCCI, Mr. Roger Binny, President of the BCCI, Mr. Jay Shah, Honorary Secretary, BCCI, Mr. Rajiv Shukla, Vice President, BCCI, and Mr. Ashish Shelar, Honorary Treasurer, BCCI. And of course, the ICC Men's T20 World Cup winners, Rohit Sharma and his team. We're of course here to cheer them on, to hear from them, and of course to have them do a victory lap and show this beautiful trophy, one that they have coveted, one we have wanted for so long, to show it to you and the world. But first, I'd like to request the team to please assemble and for all of you to stand up for the national anthem before we begin the proceedings. Before we, of course, give another round of applause to the team, I want all of you gathered here to give the heartiest, loudest round of applause to the head coach and the support staff that helped the team every step of this campaign. And of course, to all the officials of the BCCI. Well, I remember that date when the promise was made by Mr. Jay Shah. It was in Rajkot on the 14th of February. And of course, Valentine's Day पे दिया हुआ वादा कोई नहीं तोड़ सकता.
मैं आप सबको कहना चाहता हूं कि 2023 में अहमदाबाद में लगातार 10 मैच की जीत के बाद भले ही हमने वर्ल्ड कप नहीं जीता, लेकिन हमने दिल जीता. लेकिन मैं आपको एक प्रॉमिस करना चाहता हूं कि रोहित शर्मा की कप्तानी में 2024 में बारबाडोस में हम जरूर भारत का झंडा गाड़ेंगे.
Mr. Jaisha obviously has a crystal ball. He can see the future. Hopefully he will pick some lottery numbers for me next. But before that, I'd request all the BCCI office bearers to please stand up and receive a round of applause from everyone gathered over here. If you could just stand up there and receive a big round of applause from everyone. And now, I would like to request the man of the moment, your very own Captain Rohit Sharma. Rohit, I think it was 3 months ago that you said to me on my show, you said, I really want to win the World Cup. And I think everybody here and everyone watching at home could feel that coming from the deep corners of your heart. Can you find the words right now to explain what this trophy means to you?
Firstly, I don't know if winning. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. Since the time we have come to India, it's been wonderful. The reception we have got here tells you the kind of enthusiasm, the kind of waiting that people had. So this trophy, yes, of course, it means so much to us, but it is for the entire nation. You know, along with, you know, all the players who have represented the country. I think the people who've been wanting for us to win this trophy, this trophy belongs to them. But look, it's been only 3 or 4 days now since the final happened. We just arrived this morning. Honestly, it was a wonderful experience and a great honor to meet Mr. Narendra Modi in the morning with the team. We all know how passionate he is about the sport. So again, bringing this World Cup to this country means a lot to us. And then obviously, Mumbai never disappoints when it comes to winning the trophy. We've got a solid reception, you know, and yes, on behalf of my team, the entire BCCI, I would like to thank the fans, the entire nation, the people who support the game, they watch the game, and along with all of us for the last 14 years, you know, they are the ones who've been, you know, wanting this trophy to come back to India. 11 years, sorry, not 14 years. But so finally it's here. I'm very, very happy and relieved.
Tell me, 2007, you were part of that victory parade. Can you feel the difference now in 2024? What 17 years mean to everyone here?
I mean, look, for me, every World Cup win is a very, very special moment. So I would like to leave where 2007 was, right there, because it was very, very special. It was the inaugural T20 World Cup. We won it. And we showed the world this is how you win the T20 World Cup. That was the first time ever. And again, when we won the 2011 World Cup at this very ground, Wankhede Stadium, again it was very, very special. Champions Trophy, 2013 we won in England, and then again to bring this trophy back to Wankhede feels very, very special.
Tell us a little bit about that moment. We've seen, so two moments I want to talk to you about. One, when you saw Surya take that catch, because we can see you. Tell me what happened in your mind when you saw it from long on to long off.
I was standing at long on, Surya was at long off, and obviously Hardik was bowling that crucial over for us. Hats off to him to bowl that last over. You know, no matter how many runs you need, there's always so much pressure to bowl that over. But hats off to him to, you know, so there was a lot of technical aspect of the game that we discussed in that last over, because the wind was blowing across the ground quite heavily, and we had a brief chat about what we wanted to do, because we all know David Miller can be a very dangerous player, and he has played that role to perfection most of the time. So we wanted to keep it away from him, and you know, Hardik bowled that ball, and then when it went up in the air, obviously for a moment I thought, because he hit with the wind, so I thought it may go, but it was written. Everything was written. So I'm glad that, you know, it didn't carry to the ground so much, and for Surya to take that catch was exceptional. When we say practice makes man perfect, that is what it is. He's practiced those things in training so much, and we know when the pressure is there and those catches needs to be taken, you can remember all those things that you have done in your training, and that is what, you know, Surya did. To take that catch right on the boundary was a great effort.
And last question to you. You become the first team to win the Men's T20 World Cup undefeated. You did not lose a single game. It was a complete team effort. Is it safe to say कि एक भी मैच में कोई भी एक मिनट के लिए भी गार्डन में नहीं घूमा?
Firstly, I think I'm very, very proud of this team. I'm very lucky to have a team like this who at any given point in time want to stand up and get the job done for the team. But see, again, there are so many people sitting over there. It'll be very unfair for me to just name few individuals. It is the entire player and the support staff. And this work started 3 or 4 years ago. You know, it was the effort of what we have done in the last 3 or 4 years for us to, you know, put a thought to something and then everyone to buy into that thought was again a very challenging one. For us to then come together and then buy into that thought and say that this is what we want to do, this is how we want to play. It takes a lot of you know, courage, but that's what the team did, and I'm very, very proud of it.
This team did indeed show a lot of courage and a lot of fight and a lot of belief, and they deserve all our love and all our cheering. It really has done us proud. और जाते जाते मेरे को पता है कि ये मुंबई का क्राउड बड़ा डिसअपॉइंट होगा कि हमारा एक सवाल जवाब हिंदी में ना करें, राइट? तो जरा ये जो क्राउड यहाँ पे 3 बजे से बैठा हुआ है, 3 बजे से पार्टी कर रहा है, बाहर मरीन ड्राइव पे जो लाखों लोग हैं, इधर बहुत वो है, इधर बहुत शोर है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप इस शानदार क्राउड को?
नहीं, देखिए, इससे पता चलता है कि जैसे मैंने बताया कि जितना हम प्लेयर्सों को वर्ल्ड कप जीतना डेस्परेशन था, उससे ज्यादा डेस्परेशन शायद हमारी जनता को था। और मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि हमने आज नहीं 29 जून को कुछ ऐसा कर दिखाया जिससे करोड़ों लोगों के चेहरे पे इतना मुस्कुराहट आया है। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूं। जैसे मैंने बोला कि ये जो टीम है बहुत स्पेशल टीम है और मैं बहुत लकी हूं कि मुझे ऐसे टीम को कप्तानी करने का मौका मिला।
और हम बहुत लकी हैं कि आप यहां पर आए हैं, ट्रॉफी के साथ आए हैं और हमें मौका मिला है आपसे मिलने का, इस टीम से मिलने का और आपके लिए ताली बजाने का। थैंक यू सो मच द कैप्टन रोहित शर्मा, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। I'd like to call on stage the head coach, Mr. Rahul Dravid. Tell me if you, I know it's very difficult to sum up this answer, but what do all these boys mean to you?
So I just couldn't get what
I said, I know it's difficult to sum this up in a line, but what do all these boys mean to you?
I think they're like family. I think I can't, it's just been incredible what these boys have done. Just the level of hard work, resilience, fighting spirit, a never say die attitude, constantly looking to get better. You know, as a coach and as a support staff, we could never have asked for anything more. They're fantastically led by Rohit and the senior members in this team, and it's truly a privilege to be able to coach and work with these boys.
As you pull the curtain down on such a successful stint, what are you going to miss about this hurricane of emotions that has been the last few years?
I'm gonna miss this love. I mean, what we've seen today is absolutely phenomenal. What we've seen right from the time where we've landed here, and I'm sure these scenes people have told me have happened all over India. Just the love of the people, the love of these fans. I think it's these fans and these people who make cricket the game it is. It's the greatest game in the world because of the fans from India. Thank you so much. We're truly indebted to you guys.
Rahul, you have to tell us about that phone call that we keep hearing about. Tell us about that phone call if you can a little bit from Rohit.
Yes, I mean, I wasn't really sure whether I was going to continue after the 50-over World Cup, and obviously there was a great joy of having had a fantastic campaign in the 50-over World Cup, but also the little bit of disappointment in the final that we could not get across the line. And for Rohit to pick up the phone to me and say, Rahul, let's have one more crack at it in 6 or 8 months' time. It'll be lovely to have a crack together. I'm so thankful because of that. I've had a chance to firstly work with this exceptionally great bunch of boys, but also experience what I've experienced at Barbados and to experience what I've done here. So truly grateful, and yeah, it's probably one of the best phone calls I've received in my life.
It has to be the best phone call we know you've received in your life, so for sure. And lastly, is this just the best way to kind of sign off?
Yeah, it's certainly nice. It's a fantastic way to finish. I mean, obviously this is a lot of stuff that I'm going to miss. I'm going to miss this team. I'm going to miss these boys. I'm going to miss so much. I'm going to miss, you know, just my support staff, everyone on that support staff team of mine. You know, I think they have been, that support staff is, I'm standing here today because of the support of the rest of my support staff. You know, I think without them, I would not have been able to function and do the kind of work that I've been able to do. So I'm truly grateful, and yeah, it's a nice way to finish.
You've given us so much joy when you were batting for Team India, and it gave us so much joy to see this team hoisting you up in the air like that in Barbados. Thank you so much for all that you've done for Indian cricket.
Thanks, Gaurav. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for turning up. This means a lot.
Mr. Rahul Dravid. Well, there was another very emotional moment on the 29th. It was when a certain young man dropped a bomb on all of us very casually in the post-match presentation, where he said that he's retiring from T20Is. And we obviously want him to come up on stage and say a few words. Please welcome number 18, Virat Kohli. Virat, how heady and crazy have these last 4 days been?
Firstly, a big thank you to all the people turning up in the stadium, and what we saw on the streets tonight is something I'm never going to forget in my life. Sorry, what was the question?
That's the last 4 hours. I asked about the last 4 days.
4 days have been a roller coaster of a ride, honestly. We won the World Cup. We wanted to get out of Barbados as soon as possible, get back to India, celebrate with everyone. Got stuck in a hurricane. Bit of an anticlimax feeling, but since we came back, what has happened has been phenomenal, as I said, and just the final day in itself was truly, truly special. I'm sure, like everyone in the stadium, at one point we also felt like, man, is it going to slip away again? And then what happened in those last 5 overs was truly, truly special. It was... You know, what I would like everyone to do is to applaud a guy who brought us back into games again and again and again in this tournament. And what he did, in those last 5 overs, bowling 2 out of those last 5, it was phenomenal. A huge round of applause to Jasprit Bumrah, please. And yeah, man, after the game I knew this was it. That was the moment. Time to step away, let the young lot come through and take the Indian flag forward.
Just on a side note, I'm thinking of starting a petition to call Jasprit Bumrah a national treasure and the 8th wonder of the world. Will you be the first person to sign it? You should do that.
I'll sign the petition now. Let him decide what he wants to do with his schedule. We want him to play as long as possible. He's a once-in-a-generation bowler, and we're so glad that he plays for us.
This ground, 2nd of April 2011, you remember that day, and then today, this ground, this crowd, always giving special memories with World Cups.
It's amazing. I remember when I won that World Cup, you asked Rohit the question as well, when he won the first World Cup that he was part of. Honestly, I could not connect with the emotions of the senior players at that point of time. I was like, I don't understand why they're crying. For me, it felt like, yeah, we won the World Cup. It's as easy as that. I was 22, 23. But now, it is a different feeling. I remember I'm saying something about Sachin Paji when we won that World Cup, that he's carried the burden for so long. It's time we carried him on our shoulders. And now, to be in this position, not just me, Rohit's played for so long as well. We both have been trying this for so long, trying our hardest. When I was captain, he was a senior player in the team. Now he's captain. I'm one of the senior players in the team. The only aim was to win India a World Cup. So I hope that we have carried that burden to an extent, and given the results that the country wanted us to provide to them, and no better place to come back. The last time we won here, it was Wankhede. Bringing the trophy back here is a truly special feeling. And it is because this is a very, very special stadium, and I absolutely love playing here and love the crowds here as well.
I mean, the both of you, the senior most members of the team, you know you both broke the internet with that picture of the flag across your shoulders. Are you aware of how much you have broken the internet with that one picture, the two of you?
I don't know about breaking the internet, but this is the first time in, 15 years of playing together that I've seen Rohit show so much emotion on the field.
Yeah.
When I was walking up the steps, I was crying, he was crying, and we hugged. For me, that's going to be a very special memory from that day. Because all said and done, after so many years, the only goal is this. The only goal is Indian cricket and the Indian flag. And that's what we take pride in.
It is so amazing to see, especially the two of you, him winning in 2007, you winning in 2011. As young lads, I've known you as young lads. I know you now as family men and adorable fathers. To see that journey with the two of you, the fact that you've carried the hopes and dreams of 1.5+ billion Indians and taken us to this trophy, I thank you on behalf of all of them. Thank you so much, Virat.
Thank you, guys.
By popular demand, I am told that the national treasure player of the tournament, Jasprit Bumrah, is required up on stage. I know that all of you want to do one thing to the player of the tournament, so I'm going to do it on your behalf. You can follow me if you want, okay? There, we see it. But you know, the thing is that the Wankhede crowd have done that so many times for you that now they're saying just play the footage. Boom. How does this moment feel right now?
It feels amazing because this ground is really special in my life. As a youngster, I came here as an under-19 kid, started playing here, and what I saw today on the ground, on the streets, and the people over here, I've never seen something like that. And to experience this and the emotions that we felt after the game is unreal, and I will never ever forget, that day and the memories that I have now.
And I know, as player of the tournament, you're also aware that this was such a complete team effort from everyone. Tell me what makes this group of young lads so special.
I'll count myself as a young lad as well, but the experienced players and the other staff that, you know, the variety that we have, the confidence that we have, that all the players are so confident to take the game by the grab of their neck and, you know, pull the team out when they are in trouble. So all of that is as special as they get, and you know, all of us, like Rohit and Virat just said, that all our aim is to take Indian cricket forward and try to help the team as much as we can and take, you know, bring more glory to the country. So it feels special. We've never won a World Cup. First time we won a World Cup. Now we've also contributed something, and this gives us more motivation to do it even better now.
And I know he's very young, but how special was it to have your son there witnessing it?
Oh, it was unreal. Usually I'm not the one who's, you know, at loss of words, but seeing my son and the emotions that came in, I never usually cry after a game, but I started crying and I cried 2-3 times. I spoke to my wife about it as well. You know, to see my son there winning the World Cup and doing so well for the tournament, it felt really special, and I have got no other words for that.
We're so proud of you, Jasprit. I just want to say one thing. Rohit, Virat and Jaddu, all three sneaked in their retirement. I just want to say that when you want to retire from T20Is, you'll need at least 1 billion people to sign that petition. Is that a deal from your end?
It's a long way away now. I've just started, so I'm very happy that, you know, I've done well, and hopefully it's far away now.
It's very, very far away. We're going to hold you to those words. Ladies and gentlemen, the player of the tournament, Jasprit Bumrah. I'd now like to invite the BCCI office bearers on stage, Mr. Roger Binney, Mr. Jay Shah, Mr. Rajiv Shukla and Mr. Ashish Shelar. If I could request them to please come up on stage. And now I'd like to request Rohit Sharma and his team to please come up on stage and receive this check of 125 crores from the BCCI.
बजे से ये लोग इस शाम को एक महफिल बनाने में जुटे हुए हैं और क्या कमाल की शाम रही है। वानखेड़े स्टेडियम में एक बार फिर से एक और पन्ना जुड़ चुका है, जहां पे ये सारे फैंस, वो लाखों लोग जो स्टेडियम के बाहर बड़ी तादाद में मौजूद हैं, वो हमेशा याद रखेंगे कि ब्रिजटाउन बारबेडोस में तिरंगा लहरा के, तिरंगा गाड़ के रोहित शर्मा की टीम वापस आई थी दिल्ली के रास्ते मुंबई, और फिर उन्होंने उनका तहे दिल से स्वागत किया था, वो प्यार किया था, वो मोहब्बत जताई थी, वो सम्मान दिया था जिसकी ये टीम पूरी तरीके से हकदार है। रोहित शर्मा ने T20 इंटरनेशनल्स को अलविदा कह दिया, विराट कोहली ने भी कुछ ऐसे ही किया, और फिर उसके अगले दिन रविंद्र जडेजा ने भी अपने छठे T20 वर्ल्ड कप में खेल के और उसे जीत के कहा कि इस फॉर्मेट में बस फिलहाल इतना ही। लेकिन अब आगे मोर्चा बढ़ेगा जब संजू सैमसन, शुभमन गिल, यशस्वी जायसवाल, शिवम दुबे, रिंकू सिंह, हर्षदीप सिंह, अक्षर पटेल जैसे लोग अब इस मुहिम को आगे बढ़ाएंगे, क्योंकि ये अंत नहीं, ये शुरुआत है, ये प्रारंभ है। क्योंकि अब वो जो 11 साल का आईसीसी ट्रॉफी का इंतजार था वो खत्म हो चुका है। वो 13 साल से जो विश्व चैंपियन कहलाने की जो भावना थी, वो फीलिंग थी, जो नहीं आ पाई थी काफी सारे वर्ल्ड कप सेमीफाइनल्स और फाइनल्स में, वो समाप्त हो चुकी है। इंडिया एक बार फिर से वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बन चुकी है। विराट ने बहुत दिलचस्प चीज कही अपने उस स्पीच में। उन्होंने सिंगल आउट किया जसप्रीत बुमराह को, कहा ये नेशनल ट्रेजर है। शायद अक्सर लोग बैटिंग फीट्स की बात करें, उन बैटिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस को याद करें, लेकिन शायद भूल जाएं कि जसप्रीत बुमराह ने कितनी बार एक ऐसे मैच को भारत की तरफ उसका मुंह या उसका रुख कर दिया था जब लग रहा था कि वो पहुंच से, वो पकड़ से दूर जा रहा है। विराट ने यह भी कहा कि उन्होंने इस तरह का इमोशन रोहित शर्मा से 15 साल के अंतर्राष्ट्रीय क्रिकेट में उनके साथ खेलते हुए कभी नहीं देखा, जो उन्होंने महसूस किया उन बारबेडोस की सीढ़ियों पे जब मैच खत्म हुआ, जब इंडिया वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनी और जब दोनों ने एक दूसरे से मुलाकात की। एंड दे फेल्ट दैट सेंस ऑफ पैल्पेबल रिलीफ दैट हैड बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम कमिंग। रोहित शर्मा ने भी कहा कि ये मैदान उनके दिल के बहुत पास है और इसीलिए ये शाम इतनी खास है, क्योंकि भले ही 2011 में यहां पे विश्व कप फाइनल जीता हो, लेकिन वो विश्व कप फाइनल जीतने की जो भावना थी, जो फीलिंग थी, वो कुछ समय से, कुछ सालों से, कुछ अरसे से मिसिंग रही है। वो ट्रॉफी इस कैबिनेट से मिसिंग रही है। 17 साल के बाद T20 वर्ल्ड कप चैंपियंस एक बार फिर से राहुल द्रविड़ और रोहित शर्मा की ये टीम। उस सब के बीच में हार्दिक पांड्या के हाथ में ये ट्रॉफी आएगी। उनके लिए भी एक कमाल की ये कहानी रही है, इसी मैदान पे अपनी टीम की कप्तानी की। तब ये फैंस कुछ अलग उम्मीद कर रहे थे, थोड़ा सा क्रिटिसिज्म था, थोड़ी सी आलोचना थी, लेकिन उन सबको उन्होंने अपनी परफॉर्मेंसेस से चुप करते हुए ये याद दिलाया कि वंस अ चैंपियन ऑलवेज अ चैंपियन। एंड हार्दिक के लिए ये शाम उतनी ही खास है, उन्हीं फैंस के सामने जिनकी वो कप्तानी करते हैं, अब वो ट्रॉफी उठाने का हक रखते हैं। रविंद्र जडेजा का एक कमाल का T20 करियर रहा है। 6 T20 वर्ल्ड कप्स कोई शख्स खेलता है और फिर उस छठे में पहली बार जीत का स्वाद चखता है। एक अद्भुत कहानी। एक और अद्भुत कहानी ऋषभ पंत की। 2022 दिसंबर में शायद लगा कि क्या जिंदगी इसके आगे जा पाएगी, लेकिन उन्होंने न केवल जिंदगी को आगे बढ़ाया बल्कि अपने क्रिकेट के पहिए को आगे घुमाया और फिर वापस टर्न अराउंड और कमबैक की कहानी रच के बताया और फिर एक वर्ल्ड कप की टीम में अपनी जगह बनाई और पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ फिर वो परफॉर्मेंस आई। विराट कोहली के हाथ में वो तिरंगा है। 2011 2 अप्रैल को कुछ ऐसे ही सीन्स थे, लेकिन विराट ने
आए थे अपने सुपरस्टार्स को वो कप के साथ जो वापस जाएंगे, एक उम्मीद लेके जाएंगे, एक सपना लेके जाएंगे। मुझे लगता है कि ये चीज जरूर उनको मोटिवेट करेगी कि वो भी यहाँ पे आए मैदान में, अपने देश के लिए खेले, अपने कंट्री की जर्सी पहने और इसी तरीके से अपने टीम को जिताएं। जिस तरीके से रोहित ने कहा, जिस तरीके से राहुल भाई ने कहा कि कितना हार्डवर्क लगा है, कितनी प्लानिंग लगी है, ये सब जो संभव हुआ है वो सिर्फ जो दिख रहा है वो सिर्फ टिप ऑफ द आइसबर्ग है, लेकिन जो पूरा आइसबर्ग है उसको संभाल के उसको लेके चलना इतना आसान होता नहीं है। मुझे लगता है ये अभी वेल डिजर्व एक रेस्ट चाहिए इन्हें, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है शो मस्ट गो ऑन। फिर से वही उम्मीद है कल सुबह जब लोग उठेंगे वही होगी कि 2026 में फिर से हमें वापस ये ट्रॉफी लाना है, अपने घर में रखना है। तो जब तक कहते हैं ना सूरज चांद रहेगा वो उम्मीदें रहेगी, यही सोचेंगे भारत के फैंस के वो जीते और ऐसे ही जीतते चले जाए।
प्रज्ञान, वैसे आपकी पंक्तियां मशहूर हैं, लेकिन आई कैन टोटली इमेजिन हाउ ऑल ऑफ अस आर एट अ लॉस ऑफ वर्ड्स। ये वो विजुअल था जब वो फाइनली वो अवार्ड दिया गया इस टीम को, और इसके पूरी तरीके से हकदार हैं। वो कहते हैं ना, किसी के वास्ते राहें कहां बदलती हैं, तुम अपने आप को खुद ही बदल सको तो चलो, यहां कोई किसी को रास्ता नहीं देता, मुझे गिरा के अगर तुम संभल सको तो चलो। गिरे संभले तो 30 रन चाहिए, 30 गेंदों में क्लासन और मिलर मौजूद थे, तब ऐसा लगा कि शायद एक बार फिर से, जैसा विराट ने खुद कहा कि मामला हाथ से फिसल रहा है, लेकिन उसे फिर से अपने काबू में किया, फिर से अपने बस में किया और फिर से बन गए वर्ल्ड चैंपियंस। रोहित शर्मा, राहुल द्रविड़ की ये टीम ने इतिहास रचा बारबेडोस में और आज सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं इसे मुंबई में, वानखेड़े के इस ऐतिहासिक स्टेडियम में। ये ट्रॉफी आप भुला नहीं सकते। वैसे कहने को तो ये 7.5 किलो की सिल्वर और रोडियम की एक ट्रॉफी है, लेकिन इसमें कितने इमोशंस इसके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। और रोहित ने भी आज ये महसूस किया जब दिल्ली में वो प्लेन लैंड हुआ टीम इंडिया का बारबेडोस से 4 दिन के इंतजार के बाद, फिर वो मुंबई का रुख करते हैं और फिर जो उन्होंने भी कभी खुद महसूस नहीं किया, और मुंबई में रहते हुए, मुंबई में बढ़ने के बाद, पलने के बाद, वो आज उन्होंने महसूस किया है। रोहित शर्मा ने क्या कहा आज शाम इन फैंस के सामने, एक बार फिर से सुनते हैं।
I don't know if winning. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much. Since the time we have come to India, it's been wonderful. The reception we have got here tells you the kind of enthusiasm, the kind of waiting that people had. So this trophy, yes, of course, it means so much to us, but it is for the entire nation. You know, along with all the players who have represented the country. I think the people who've been wanting for us to win this trophy, this trophy belongs to them. But look, it's been only 3 or 4 days now since the final happened. We just arrived this morning. Honestly, it was a wonderful experience and a great honor to meet Mr. Narendra Modi in the morning with the team. We all know how passionate he is about the sport. So again, bringing this World Cup to this country means a lot to us. And then obviously, Mumbai never disappoints when it comes to winning the trophy. We've got a solid reception, and yes, on behalf of my team, the entire BCCI. I would like to thank the fans, the entire nation, the people who support the game, they watch the game, and along with all of us for the last 14 years, they are the ones who've been, wanting this trophy to come back to India. 11 years, sorry, not 14 years. But so finally it's here. I'm very, very happy and relieved.
Tell me, it's amazing that he says finally it's here because 2007 में as a player ये trophy जीती थी, लेकिन फिर वो इंतजार थोड़ा सा लंबा खिंच गया, and he himself said that the one thing that he really wants to do is win a World Cup trophy. This is amazing. In typical Mumbai style, प्रज्ञान भाई ये इन्होंने जो है celebrate किया है, लेकिन हमने उनके साथ विराट कोहली को भी celebrate करते हुए देखा, and after that he had time to reflect on what has been a momentous performance in the World Cup. What did Virat Kohli say in front of these fans sitting at the Wankhede since 3 p.m? Let's have a look at that again.
Firstly, a big thank you to all the people turning up in the stadium, and what we saw on the streets tonight is something I'm never going to forget in my life. Sorry, what was the question?
That's the last 4 hours. I asked about the last 4 days.
4 days have been a roller coaster of a ride, honestly. We won the World Cup. We wanted to get out of Barbados as soon as possible, get back to India, celebrate with everyone. Got stuck in a hurricane, bit of an anticlimax feeling, but since we came back, what has happened has been phenomenal, as I said, and just the final day in itself was truly, truly special. I'm sure, like everyone in the stadium, at one point, we also felt like, man, is it going to slip away again? And then what happened in those last 5 overs was truly, truly special. It was... What I would like everyone to do is to applaud a guy who brought us back into games again and again and again in this tournament. And what he did, in those last 5 overs, bowling 2 out of those last 5, it was phenomenal. A huge round of applause to Jasprit Bumrah, please. And yeah, man, after the game, I knew this was it. That was the moment. Time to step away, let the young lot come through and take the Indian flag forward.
And just like that, he said goodbye to T20 internationals, and he said, yeah, and like that, man, I just knew that this was time. This is also the time to let it go completely, where all the pressure of expectations weighing down on those shoulders of Virat Kohli, and finally has the time to celebrate on the very ground that he celebrated being a world champion for the very first time. लेकिन इस सब के बीच में राहुल द्रविड़ ने भी अपने कोचिंग स्टिंट को अलविदा कहा उस जीत के साथ ब्रिजटाउन बारबेडोस में, लेकिन उन्होंने आज शाम इन फैंस के सामने क्या कहा, आइए राहुल द्रविड़ से सुनते हैं.
I'm gonna miss this love. I mean, what we've seen today is absolutely phenomenal. What we've seen right from the time where we've landed here, and I'm sure these scenes people have told me have happened all over India. Just the love of the people, the love of these fans. I think it's these fans and these people who make cricket the game it is. It's the greatest game in the world because of the fans from India. Thank you so much. We're truly indebted to you guys.
And that's the man who's won many a games in India and abroad for the tricolour. He skippered the nation. He's also coached them now through a World Cup trophy. Rahul Dravid, आपको सलाम है. जिस तरह की शिद्दत, जिस तरह की मोहब्बत, जिस तरह का passion, जिस तरह का desire, and that integrity that he's shown along the way, with all the graciousness that's come along with it. He's obviously a huge senior, a stalwart of Indian cricket. And speaking of seniors, विराट कोहली ने भी सीनियर्स के बारे में कुछ कहा. अब वो खुद भारतीय क्रिकेट के एक सीनियर है, लेकिन जब 2011 में पहली बार एक वर्ल्ड चैंपियन होने की फीलिंग को महसूस किया था, तब सीनियर्स ने कैसा महसूस किया और क्यों विराट थोड़ा सा अचंभे में आए, विराट ने उसके बारे में ये कहा.
I don't know about breaking the internet, but this is the first time in 15 years of playing together that I've seen Rohit show so much emotion on the field. When I was walking up the steps, I was crying, he was crying, and we hugged. For me, that's going to be a very special memory from that day. Because all said and done after so many years, the only goal is this. The only goal is Indian cricket and the Indian flag. And that's what we take pride in.
And just a casual head shake from Rohit, and that's the beauty of Indian cricket, of these two stalwarts who've held the tricolour aloft so many times on so many different occasions. एक दूसरे का साथ निभाया है, एक दूसरे को खूब आगे बढ़ाया है और इंडियन क्रिकेट को एज ए रिजल्ट वो आगे लेके गए हैं. इस सब के बीच में प्लेयर ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट रहे जसप्रीत बुमराह. उन्होंने कई बार जीत की कहानी इन फैंस को इसी मैदान में सुनाई है, लेकिन आज जब उनसे प्लेयर ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट बनने के बाद की कहानी के बारे में पूछा गया तो जसप्रीत बुमराह ने कुछ ये कहा.
Your son there witnessing it.
Oh, it was unreal. Usually I'm not the one who's, at loss of words, but seeing my son and the emotions that came in, I never usually cry after a game, but I started crying and I cried 2-3 times. I spoke to my wife about it as well. To see my son there winning the World Cup and doing so well for the tournament, it felt really special and I have got no other words for that.
And that's it. We've been together since 4:30 p.m. today on Welcome Back Champions. Our champions are our insiders. Pragyan Ojha, Robin Uthappa, Suresh Raina, Abhinav Mukund have all given us great company on what truly is a memorable evening. सचमुच एक यादगार शाम और मुंबई जो है इसकी साक्षी रही, लेकिन at the same time it's been a story for the whole country क्योंकि ये नेशनल सेलिब्रेशन का दिन रहा है. 4 दिन के इंतजार के बाद हमारे चैंपियंस फाइनली राजधानी आते हैं, वहां से मुंबई का रुख करते हैं. वो लाखों लोगों का सैलाब उनका स्वागत करता है. मरीन ड्राइव, वो क्वींस नेकलेस इस खूबसूरत तरीके से चमकता है और फिर वानखेड़े में वो शोर उठता है. इसे राइट, टफ टाइम्स डोंट लास्ट, टफ पीपल डू. ग्रोन मैन डोंट क्राई, प्रज्ञान भाई, बट वर्ल्ड चैंपियंस डू. जसप्रीत बुमराह, राहुल द्रविड़, रोहित शर्मा, विराट कोहली के बारे में यही कहना पड़ेगा कि आपने कितने मैचेस अपनी टीम को, अपने देश को जिताए हो, लेकिन ये लम्हा कुछ अलग था जहां पे सभी भावुक हो गए.
जी बिल्कुल. देखिए, ये जो इमोशन है ना, अलग अलग तरीके से बाहर आते हैं, अलग अलग परिस्थितियों को पार करने के बाद आते हैं. तो अगर आप विराट और रोहित की बात करें, जो इतने सालों से उन्होंने मेहनत की थी, इतने सालों से भारतीय टीम का भार उठाया था, शायद ये इमोशन उस तरीके से बाहर निकला. अगर बुमराह की बात करें, राहुल भाई की बात करें, ये यंगस्टरों की बात करें, तो यंगस्टर शायद इमोशनल इसलिए हो गए क्योंकि वो देख रहे हैं कि सामने किस तरीके की चुनौती है, किस तरीके से हमें ऐसा एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला है. तो हर एक का अलग अलग इमोशन होता है, तो वो देख के बड़ा अच्छा लगा. और बस मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा कि ये शुरुआत है, ये ऐसा शुरुआत है जो कहते हैं ना कि अभी तो नापी है मैंने सिर्फ जमीन, आगे पूरा आसमान बाकी है. तो मुझे लगता है ये भारतीय टीम का एक दौर शुरू होने वाला है, जिसके लिए जो आप बात करते हैं, बैकएंड में इतना काम चल रहा है, इतनी मेहनत हो रही है, इतने प्लानिंग्स हो रहे हैं. विमेन क्रिकेट ले लीजिए, मेंस क्रिकेट ले लीजिए, जूनियर क्रिकेट ले लीजिए, ये सारा ना हमें सिर्फ फाइनल या सेमीफाइनल तक पहुंचना नहीं है, हमें अब ट्रॉफी लिफ्ट करना है और वो भी लगातार ट्रॉफी जीतने, क्योंकि उस तरीके की हमारी बेंच स्ट्रेंथ है, हमारी क्या कहते हैं इकोसिस्टम है. तो मैं चाहूंगा कि ये और लगातार हो और ये ऐसे ही जो फैंस है इतने लाखों करोड़ों में, उनको इस तरीके की खुशी मिलती रहे. ये देखिए, बुमराह है, हार्दिक पांड्या T20 क्रिकेट के फ्यूचर हैं, वहां संजू सैमसन भी खड़े हैं. अब इनको इस भार को आगे लेके जाना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल, अब दरीचे ही बनेंगे द्वार, अब तो पथ यही है. प्रज्ञान भाई, आपकी पंक्तियों का मुझे इंतजार था. देखिए, आपसे थोड़ी सी प्रेरणा मैंने भी ले ली, बट यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट, बिकॉज दिस सेट्स अस ऑन द पाथ टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट टाइटल, राइट. और उसके लिए तैयारियां किस तरीके से करने वाली है टीम इंडिया, आइए उस पर भी नजर डाल लेते हैं. क्या शेड्यूल है भारतीय टीम का आगे आने वाले कुछ महीनों में. ऑन होम ऑफ द ब्लूज, दैट्स द स्पोर्ट्स 18 नेटवर्क. बांग्लादेश भारतीय सरजमी पे आएगी। 2 टेस्ट, 3 T20 इंटरनेशनल्स 19 सितंबर से 12 अक्टूबर के बीच में। फिर न्यूजीलैंड का दौरा होगा भारत का, जहां पे 3 टेस्ट खेले जाएंगे 16 अक्टूबर से 5 नवंबर के बीच। और फिर इंडिया का साउथ अफ्रीका का दौरा 2024 में। स्पोर्ट्स 18 नेटवर्क पे कुछ ये रहेगी कहानी। एंड देन फाइनली इंग्लैंड्स टूर ऑफ इंडिया इन 2025, जहां पे वो बचे हुए 5 T20 इंटरनेशनल्स, वो 3 ODIs 22 जनवरी से 12 फरवरी के बीच में खेले जाएंगे। Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us, Pragyan Bhai. It's been a real pleasure. I hope you guys enjoyed this Welcome Back Champions offering on the Sports 18 network. Don't forget to join us tomorrow for India women taking on South Africa women in the T20 International Series at 6:30 p.m. But until then, from all of us here, it's goodbye.